Hey everybody, I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Jason Myers. Wanted to give you an update on the severe weather situation this afternoon. It's April 30th, 2014, and we'll likely see a few very isolated incidences. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has since this morning shrunk the area as far as at a risk for severe weather. Still a slight risk, but only spanning from South Carolina up to about Maryland. Earlier today, this area covered all the way from Florida to southern Pennsylvania. What are the risks with this? A very small chance for a tornado in a very small area spanning from really Virginia and North Carolina, only about a 5% risk. 15% risk for some large hail along the coast, and same story with the wind right along the coast. We're already starting to see a few of these storms firing up. Earlier this afternoon, a watch has been issued for a good portion of Virginia and North Carolina right along the coast. We could see some of these storms becoming severe. This is a tornado watch until later tonight, and we'll see maybe an isolated tornado. We could see a severe thunderstorm with or some large hail later this evening, but really the threat here is fairly small, especially when you compare it to the last few days here. Looking back at that radar, and you can see this is about 1:30 in the afternoon right now. All of this is going to work its way to the east, and you'll notice behind it, there's not much going on. We have this big dry area and then another line of some light showers spanning from eastern Ohio down through eastern Tennessee. This is going to move through, but it's also going to lift to the north, and when it does that, it looks like really none of this is going to be severe in any way, shape, or form. No warnings have been issued just yet. It looks like right now we are under looks like there's a tornado warning just east of Richmond. And this is really going to be the story through the rest of the afternoon and the evening. A few isolated tornadoes could be popping up and moving to the northeast along these showers and storms. But for the most part, I think we're going to see a few isolated instances here and there. So make sure you have Storm Shield handy on you. That way you can get the watches and warnings with you at all times. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube video that you're watching right now, our YouTube channel. And also like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, all that good stuff. And we're going to be monitoring the severe weather situation throughout the rest of the afternoon and the evening.